so peaceful out. Just, you and me. So many stars out. It's kind of like the sparkle in your eye.
Oh, what a gentleman!
But did you know that it isn't just stars up there? Where's my girlfriend? That's not important. What's important is that I finished my astronomy final.
What are you looking at?
What are any of us ever looking at? I think Dominic says it best.
I mean, when you really think about it, when you look up at the stars, you're actually looking into the bottomless abyss of space, and the only thing keeping us from falling into it is the gravity of Earth.
How did you do that? Never mind that. I only have 3 to 5 minutes to tell you about the moons of other planets.
That was the worst segue I've ever seen.
I don't have time to be creative. Now come on, it's winter in Wyoming and I'm not wearing any pants.
Why aren't you wearing any...
Don't ask any more questions, but it's about moons!
See, the universe is full of different materials, objects, and formations. Moons are just astronomical bodies that orbit a planet. Moons can be made out of ice. Ow! Pieces of that planet. My eyes! Or even just a Rick. Wait, Rick?
Hi.
Oh, sorry, typo. I mean rock. Some moons are actually alive, too. Saturn and Jupiter got a bunch of stuff to offer the sciencey world. Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers very similar to Yellowstone's. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, they were gonna call it the big ball of gas, but that's dumb. And not a star, duh. Is it just Saturn that has the moon? Oh, Saturn has 62 moons and counting. Each one of them's unique. Titan's the biggest one. It's bigger than Mercury and Pluto. Jupiter's even bigger. Ganymede is the biggest moon in the solar system. Poor Ganymede. Some of Jupiter's moons are so big that even Galileo could see him back in the day. Which was a Wednesday, by the way.
I'ma call that one Io, and that one Calypso. No! Callisto. And Ganymede, poor Ganymede. And Europa.
I don't think that's how Galileo sounded. It was the 16th century, you don't know that. Okay, so how are they formed? Oh, there's a few ways it can be made. For example, what I said earlier wasn't just an excuse to have a teacher hit me in the face with a rock. Moons can be anything flying through space. Mars is 2 moons that are just asteroids that were caught in orbit. Earth's moon formed out of debris thrown into orbit by a massive collision between a smaller proto-Earth and another planetoid about the size of Mars. Saturn got part of its rings from moons that collided with each other. Some moons are just comets that got stuck in orbit. But they're just rocks. That's where you're wrong, kiddo. I may not be able to speak about all the moons in the solar system on this one, so let's talk about the one that we study the most.
Charon the Plutonian moon!
No, you dummy. Pluto isn't even a planet. I'm talking about our moon. Oh. We actually went out and caught some HD footage of our moon. Well, I didn't. I'm not going out in Wyoming at nighttime in December. See this lab coat? It means I'm smart. I had Johnny capture some footage.
I can't feel my fingers.
Isn't it cool? This little rock controls so much stuff for the world. It's the reason our days are as long as they are. It controls our tides, and it's actually moving farther away from us. Moons are cool. Oh, I think the coolest one has to be Europa. Not only was it one of the first moons to be discovered after our own, but it's also got some pretty cool stuff going on with it today. See, there's this little nifty machine called Depth-X, or the Deep Phreatic Thermal Explorer. It's been getting ready to explore Jupiter's moons for life, as they're thinking it's a good possible solution to our eternal loneliness in the universe. Well, because of the extensive amounts of oceans and heat, it looks promising to find early stages of life elsewhere. Nice. Seriously? We might find life somewhere other than Earth, and the only thing that you have to say about it is nice? Well, I mean, yeah, it's pretty nice. Well, now you know more about moons of other planets. Pretty cool, right? I mean, I guess. I just didn't realize there was so much stuff to it. Oh, we've barely scratched the surface. Wait. Where is my girlfriend? Oh, right, yeah, she's in here.